Hello and welcome to channel iCloud Tech. I wish all my subscriber friends a very happy New Year 2020. This New Year I'm making a new video on how to bypass permanently the iCloud activation lock from an iPhone. So here's an iPhone 5s which is currently iCloud locked, and I'll be bypassing this iCloud lock permanently, and you can do that free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. Using a check-rain jailbreaking software. So here it says iPhone 5s GSM connected. So click on start option here and click on next, and the device will be booted to recovery mode. Please click on the subscribe button to support our channel. Now it says time to put the device into DFU mode. You can also follow the on-screen instructions to put the device to DFU mode. First we'll have to click on start here, which you can see. Click on start and press the home button and the power button simultaneously. As soon as the Apple logo disappears, let go of the power button, keep pressing the home button. Let me close this. It says it is setting up the exploit. You can now see the jailbreak is working on this phone. After this process, we'll be using the codes to bypass the iCloud lock permanently. Please click on the subscribe button to support our channel. If you have any questions, please ask us in the comment section below the video. It says all done here, and the device is in hello screen. Click on done, close this window, open terminal, copy the first command and paste it. And click on enter. It says press return to continue. Click on the return key. As you can see, it says installation successful here. After you get this message, you have to close this window and open new terminal window to copy paste the second command. Copy paste the step 2 command and click on enter or the return key. Once you get this, you have to copy paste the next command. It says waiting for connection here. Now right click on the terminal window and click on new window. Copy the step 3 commands and paste it right here. And if you get this error like host key verification failed, do not worry. Just follow the steps as shown in the video now. Click on type open space .ssh. Now you have to delete this known host file. Click on move to bin. Minimize this window and copy this command again and paste it right here. Click on enter. Now it says, are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes or no. Type yes and click on enter. Here you can see it asks for a password. Type ALPINE and click on enter. Now copy all the other commands and paste it as shown in this video. You can now see the device has turned on automatically. Let's go ahead and explore this device. And the device is now completely iCloud unlocked. It also says software update available. iOS 12.4.4 is available for your phone. I'll be installing that later. So this device is now completely iCloud bypassed, and it is permanently iCloud bypassed as well. You can update your device and use it like a new device without any issues. You can also sign in with your iPhone using your iCloud ID. Click on the check rain tool and install Cydia to get the jailbreaking. So now you get Cydia as well. So this device is not only iCloud bypassed, but it is also jailbroken. So you can make complete use of your iPhone using this process. And I've also shown you how to rectify the known hosts error as well. So basically follow the video completely. Do not skip any step. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And Happy New Year once again to all my dear subscribers. Bye bye.